Hi, welcome back. Another important topic. Do we have mandatory internal exams with job interview for experienced profiles on SAP ECC or S4 HANA? Okay, let's try to have a discussion on this. So, what exactly all these are internal examinations? I'll tell you. Okay, so you will have a two kind of examination: internal examination and external examination. That means you are on the job, you are going to face internal examination, and if you are going to face an interview, that time you're going to face an external examination. Generally, what happens if you look at 70% of MNCs like TCS, Accenture, IBM. Okay, so what they are going to do is generally the profiles vary from 0 to 5 years. Okay, so it depends on the technology. Okay, they will set examination, internal examination. Okay, what exactly internal examination? For example, you have attended job interview. Okay, first round, second round, and you finished the all rounds of your interview. Okay, you joined in the company and you started working. So they have a certain companies have a mandatory policy, like so on their respective module they will create level 1 and level 2 and the level 3 examinations. Okay, so what is this level 1? From basic to medium to and hard. Okay, so that examination will be like multiple choice questions. Okay, so based on that you will have a rating actually. Okay, rating varies from a 1 to 5 or something like that. Top 5 will be top rating or something like that. So each examination certain times it has a validity of a year. In some companies it has a validity of 5 years. Suppose if you fail that examination, it has an impact on your job certain times. Okay, they'll take this situation as very serious actually. That's why we should have to know, see your subject level, what is your analytical skills. Every day they cannot come and sit with each and every person, they cannot able to ask. Okay, what is your skill actually. Of course it is not mandatory, there are different ways. Like suppose if you are not able to write an examination, you can take the help. That is I don't suggest. Okay, but I helped a few people, so everyone cannot be in my circle, right? That is different story. So that internal examination generally like multiple choice questions, how you have in a certification examination, like 50 to 100 questions will be there. Okay, max 180 questions will be there. Generally it is 50 to 100 questions will be there. So in that you will have a, like how you write certificate examination in the similar way, where you will have a criteria to evaluate. Okay, the examination profile. So when we have this, either before interview or else within interview, so after your interview or else on job also you will have. Okay, while continuing on the job. So I'll tell you internal examinations. Generally, the validity will be 1 to 2 years. As I told that once you pass that examination, you will have certain advantages. So they will take that also one of the criteria for your appraisal. Okay, certain companies the examination is suppose if you failed, nothing will happen. They will give second attempt within a 3 months or 6 months. You can able to write like n number of times. You can able to write it. There is like hard and fast rule. They're not going to keep knife on your neck. You have to pass this examination. It's not like that. It is for your betterment only. Okay, second thing is that, so when you are working in certain project, okay, project specific internal examination also will be there. Okay, so that's why I keep on telling, keep on practice reading subject. Why I'm talking about multiple ways. It's not all about once you finish the job, job interview, it is not going to end of your story. It is throughout your life learning is. Okay, this is one thing. So, and again, in turn, this practice will helpful to you on your certification examination also. Okay. So, so generally, like if you take TCS, Capgemini, few years back, Capgemini used to do before, allowing for you technical discussion for technical interview or HR interview. HR is going to give one system. Okay, their system, you have to go to the office and you have to write examination. Now it is not, after COVID, it is not much tough actually. They're giving offers because of their job pressure, just like that. Okay, So once you pass the examination, based on rating also, certain times the projects will be allocated. See, that is all internal actually. Your job is to prepare for this multiple choice questions or analysis and your subject and all those stuff. Okay. So see, it is at 3 level. I'm telling you again, like before your job interview, or else after job interview, before joining, you have to write it. Okay. While submitting the documents, or else on job, you have to write that mandatory exam within before completion of your first financial year or within 2 years or something like that. Okay, it has its own advantages. Certain companies has advantages, certain companies serious, certain companies not at all serious about this one. Okay, that's all. And when it comes to like so this is the reason why I just wanted to help you people. I have started like a question of the day. Question of the day will help you in 2 ways. One is for certification examination, and the second one is for your internal examination. Don't neglect this. Please follow all these questions. I'm just putting some hard work to help you out. If you can understand, it's up to you. One person who is checking also, it will be helpful term. That is my target. Many people are checking. That is even invitable at your end. Okay. So that's all for today. So I would like to tell, so I'm having around currently 5,000 plus students, and if you'd like to subscribe my Udemy, you can able to subscribe it. Please, if you would like to get more tips, okay, please don't hesitate to subscribe my YouTube channel. Please keep in touch with, stay tuned with me so that I can help you out on different topics at a different level. And when it comes to this one, like I have different courses. So this is idoc training and specifically useful for your real-time work environment, and I have created 5 scenarios. Okay, interfaces are very, very important, and getting master to write functional specification, this is very, very important for support and support enhancement projects. I'm just providing all these courses, I'm just providing all these courses. Okay, so in the description link, if you really want it, you can try this. Thank you so much. I wish you all the best. Have a great day. Don't miss my question series. Okay, either directly or indirectly, it will helpful to your career on job also sometimes. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Jai Bharat. Thank you all.